Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Survival Tips. I'm David. I'm finally back after nearly 6 months of intensive time writing, illustrating, and designing a survival guide, a pocket survival book, a survival card, and a survival app like no other. Plus I'm working on some unique new knives and other gear that you're going to love. But before I go any further, I want to thank you for your patience, notes of encouragement, kind words, and support these past few months as I stopped the merry-go-round to get some important new resources done. So stay tuned in coming weeks for more. But today, I want to tell you about something that you can get right now, and it's totally free. It's the Survival Show podcast. Here's the scoop. A while back, my friend Craig Cottle, author of Extreme Wilderness Survival, and I had an idea. We believe that by combining interviews of experts in wilderness, combative, and first responder disciplines, integrating our step-by-step training methods, we would be able to help more people be better prepared. We found that our YouTube channels, blogs, and other social media platforms fell short in some important areas to us. So we have just launched the Survival Show podcast. And yes, I'll be continuing on YouTube, but I believe you'll find the Survival Show podcast to be a very helpful addition. Best of all, the podcast is available right now on iTunes, Google Play, or anywhere else you listen. Links are in the video description. In every episode, Craig and I simplify survival and take you step by step through what you really need to know and do. We cut through the hype and misinformation and land you on a solid foundation that you can trust. Notes for each show are available to subscribers and include kit checklists, survival essentials, action steps, and bonus items like bug out and disaster plan resources. The cool thing is that you can print the notes and build out your own personalized survival manual over time. So go check out the Survival Show podcast now and stand by for my next video. For your convenience, I've placed links to the Survival Show podcast in the video description on YouTube. Okay, this is David. I hope to see you on the other side, and remember, be prepared because you never know.